All right, what's up, everybody? So I thought I'd share with you this tweet from Santiago, and it says, "Bye-bye virtual assistants. Here's the most useful agent of 2025. An agent with access to your Gmail calendar and Drive and the ability to do things for you is pretty mind-blowing." So this particular agent looks like it is called GenSpark. And as you can see in GenSpark, what's happening is that he is querying his email inbox. And I think what is unique about this, or what he's highlighting, is that it's not only querying, but it's actually doing the answering of the emails for him. Okay. And this is exactly why I think tools like n8n, Make, and many of these other automation tools might see reduced use or traffic in the future if some of these LLMs or AI agents are able to actually just bring in all that automation automatically and allow people to just write in their English command or prompt, such as, "Hey, I want you to write these emails for me," and away it goes. So there might be a lot less manual setup in the background. I think for power users, they'll still want to use n8n, but that'll be a choice. I don't think it'll be a necessity. I think that AI is probably going to do a better job of this. If anything, it might be able to use tools like n8n to maybe set up the workflow visually for humans so that you can see what's going on in the background in terms of the automation workflow and make adjustments if you want. But in terms of the manual setup that we're seeing right now, a lot of people are diving into n8n. I'm not doing that because I don't see it lasting long. There's been a window where it's been very popular, and I think it's been great for n8n and a lot of creators who have been building for n8n, but I do not think it's going to be a lasting thing. We'll check back in time, right, to see if that is the case or not. But I think this is what the future is going to be like, where you just literally tell the AI agent what you want to get done. It'll go out, parse things, connect things for you that are being integrated, and just get things done. And I think that's essentially what we're looking for as humans in general anyways. So if you're not familiar with n8n, this is n8n. Okay. It's one of the most popular automation workflow apps. I do think it is better than Zapier, even though Zapier, I think, might have more integrations. It does a pretty good job of allowing power users to automate their workflows and processes. And yeah, they've got a very strong community. I think that's what's been really helpful. They also offer a local version that you can download and use, which is great for those who are into open source or doing things on their own. It also allows you to save money. So no shade against n8n at all, just sharing what I think may be happening sooner rather than later. So if you think that n8n is going to be here for the long run, let me know. If you think this is probably going to be happening more, let me know too in the comments.